Imagine this. You're at a bustling farmer's market early on a Saturday morning. The stalls are filled with fresh produce, artisan breads, and handcrafted goods. As you walk around, you notice the sellers adjusting prices, shouting deals, and interacting with their customers. What you're witnessing is not so different from the world of trading in financial markets, a place where prices fluctuate based on supply and demand, buyer and seller behavior, and the ever-present balance of risk and opportunity. Hi there, welcome to Riskmaster. Today, I want to unravel the fundamentals of trading, much like a friend sitting across the table, sharing insights over a warm cup of coffee. Trading might seem like a fast-paced race only meant for Wall Street professionals, but at its core, it's a dance between risk and reward that anyone can learn to understand. Let's start with why people trade. It boils down to one word: opportunity. Whether it's commodities like coffee beans or stocks of tech companies, trading allows us to buy low and sell high, or at least that's the goal. But here's where the plot thickens. Not every trade will result in a profit. This is where the emotional tug-of-war comes into play. Fear and greed often take the wheel, leading traders to make rash decisions. Fear of losing out on potential gains can tempt us into buying too hastily, and greed can keep us clinging to losses, hoping they'll turn around. Picture this. You're at a poker table, poised and ready. You know the rules, you've read your opponents, and yet every hand has an element of chance. That's trading. You see, knowledge and strategy are crucial, but even the best-laid plans can be swept aside by unpredictable market shifts. A key to success lies in managing what you can control, like risk. We're not talking about eradicating risk. That's impossible. It's about understanding it, setting limits, and knowing when to fold or push forward. When I first dipped my toes into trading, I remember feeling overwhelmed by the jargon. Terms like bullish and bearish felt like a new language. Here's the thing, these terms simply describe market moods. A bullish market is optimistic, with prices expected to rise, while a bearish market is pessimistic, anticipating a fall. It's like the weather, sometimes sunny, sometimes stormy, and always changing. Now, let's talk about fundamental analysis, a tool that helps us make informed trading decisions. Think of it like meeting a person and getting to know them. What's their background, their strengths, their weaknesses? In trading, it's about looking at a company's financial health, market position, and future potential. It's not just numbers, it's reading the story those numbers tell. On the flip side, there's technical analysis, akin to studying the footprints left behind on a path. By examining past price movements and chart patterns, traders try to predict where the market might go next. It's not foolproof, it's more art than science, but it can offer valuable insights. But remember, no amount of analysis can entirely remove the uncertainty of what lies ahead. That's why it's crucial to craft a trading plan. It's your map through the chaos, outlining your investment goals, risk tolerance, and strategies. It's about having a game plan and sticking to it, even when emotions run high and markets go wild. And this brings us to one of the most important lessons in trading and investing alike: patience. Building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. The best traders are like seasoned sailors, navigating through rough seas with an eye on the horizon, understanding that the tide will turn. So here's a thought to carry with you. Trading, much like life, is about balance. The balance between knowledge and intuition, patience and action, risk and reward. It's a journey of learning to dance with uncertainty, to find your rhythm, and to know when to let go. Take a moment to reflect on your approach to risk. In trading, as in life, it's not about eliminating fear, but embracing it as a guide that helps you steer clear of the rocks. Here's to the adventure that is trading, and the wisdom gained from each step along the way. Happy trading, my friend.